Good afternoon everyone. Today we are going to continue chapter number 3 of 8th standard. Today we will discuss about exercise 3.3. Students, in previous video we discussed about a square root by factorization method. But today we discuss about square root by division method. Okay? Today we learn division method. First, question number first, find the square root of the following by division method. First is 7396. We have a number 7396. 7396. We find square root of this by division method. Okay. So, we start. First we take this. Okay. Now we take pair. two digit के हम क्या लेंगे pair. We make pair 96 and 73. two digit pair. First we take first pair. First pair is 73. First pair is 73. Okay. First we learn square 2 to 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. 6 6 are 36. 7 7 are 49. 8 8 are 64. 9 9 are 81. But 81 is greater than 73. So less of 81 means square of 8. 8 8 are 64. 9 9 are 81. So square of 9 greater than 73. So first we take square of 8. We take there is 8. Then we also take 8. Okay. 8 8 ja 64. Okay. Square of 8 8 8 ja 64. Now subtract 30 minus 4. First we 3 minus 4, but we take early. Then 13 minus 4. Okay. 13 minus 4 then 9. There is 9. 6 6 minus 6 0. Okay. Next we take next pair, not single digit. We take pair. हम complete pair लेंगे next वाला 9 6. Okay. Then we have total 996. Next we take here double of this. Double of this. 2 times of this double means 8 2 ja 16. We take here 60. Okay. Next we find if we take this 16 as it is. First we multiply 1, then we take 161. But this is greater than 161. Next we check 162. Then we multiply 2. 2 to 4, 6 to 12, 1 to 1 and 3. This is also greater. Then next we check 163. Then we take 3. 3 3s are 9. 6 3s are 18. Then 1. 3 1s are 3 and 4. This is also greater than. So next we check 164 and multiply with 4. 4 4s are 16. Then 1 6 4s are 24 and 1 25. Then 2 4 1s are 4 and 2 6. This is also greater than. So next we check 5. We check 165 with 5. If this is also less, then next we take 166 with 6. Okay. 6 6 are 36. Then 3. 6 6 are 36. 36 and 3 39. Then 3 6 1 are 6 and 3 9. This is 996. So we take this 6. 6 and there is also 6 and 166 6 down 996. Okay. And so if we subtract, then there is 0. Okay. So this is the square of 86. This is the square of 86. Then we write 7396. Square root of this equal to 86. And we also know 86 square equal to 7396. If there is 0, then this is a complete perfect square. This is a perfect square of 86. Okay. Next we take next question. Question number second. Question number second. This is a given number and we find square root also by division method. So we take 0.023104. We have a number. Okay. We find square root of this by division method. Okay. Students, from 0 to right side, left side and right side, we take according to pair. We take a pair. 0 to point to right side, we make pair from this side. 1 pair complete, 2 pair complete, 3 pair complete. Okay. But 0 to left side, we take pair from this side. Okay. Point to right side, we take pair from this side. But 0 point to left side, we take from this side. Okay. Point to left side, there is single 0, then there is no meaning. Next we take first pair is 0. First pair is 0. For some time we forget 0. We forget point. Okay. For some time we forget point. So we have only first pair is 0 2. 0 2. So first 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, but 4 is greater than 2. So first we take 1 1 ja 1. Okay. And subtract 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay. Next we take pair. Next pair is 31. This is 30. Next here we take double of this, 2 times of this, 2 times of this, 1 2 ja 2. Okay. Then next, if we take 2 1, then we multiply with 1. If we take 2 2, then we multiply with 2. If we take 3, then we multiply with 3. Okay. If we take 5, then we multiply with 5. Then if we take 5, then 25 5 ja 5 5 ja 25, 5 then 2, 5 to 10 and 1 to 5. 1 to 5 is less than 131. So if we take 2 6, then we multiply with 6. 6 6 ja 36, 3, 6 2 ja 12, 12 and 3 15. But 156 is greater than 131. So less of 131. 131 se come 125, and this is on 5. Then we take here 5, and there is also 5, and 25 5 ja 125. Okay. Next subtract this 11 minus 5, 6, then 0 and 0. Next we take complete next pair. Next pair is 0 4, then 0 and 4. Okay. Double of this 15 2 ja 30. Okay. If we take 301, then multiply with 1. If we take 302, then multiply with 2. And this is 4032 on 6. This is equal to 604. Then we take 2. There is also 2. And this is 604. And if we subtract, there is 0. Okay. Then there is 0. Now we remember points. Students, we count how many pairs right side of a point. There is total 1 pair, 1, 2, 3. Total 3 pair of right side of point. Then we take in answer 3 digit. Okay, from the point, then 1, 2, 3. Then we take point here and this. Then complete 0.023104. Square root of this equal to 0.152. Okay. Square root of this equal to 0.152. There is total 6 digits from right side of the point, but in answer there is total 3 digits right side of the point. Okay. Next I will take next question. The next question, question number 3rd. Find the square root of first part 42. Connect to one place of decimal. We find the square root of 42. correct to one place of decimal. Students, if we find one place of decimal, then we try to find the two place of decimal. After that we find answer only one place. Okay, so first we take 42 by division method. Okay, first we make an ampere. This is complete ampere. This is complete ampere. Then we take 2 2 are 4, 3 3 are 9, 4 4 are 16, 5 5 are 25, 6 6 are 36, and 7 7 are 49. So first we take 6 6 are 36 because 7 7 are 49 and 49 is greater than 42. हमें 42 से कम रखना है. Okay. Then we subtract 12 minus 6, then 6. Next is 0. Okay. We find correct to one place of decimal. Next we put here point. We put here point and we make complete one pair and two pairs of 0. If we find one place of decimal, then we make two pair. If we find two place of decimal, then we take a three pair. If we find three place of decimal, then we put a four pair. Okay. Then first pair of zeros we put here zeros. Okay. And students, all the questions of same type. And this is the method of by division method for finding the square root. And all the questions are of the same type. Next double of 6, then 12. Next we take, if we take 1, then multiply with 1, 2, then multiply with 2. Now we for finding 1, 2, 5, then multiply with 5. 25, then 2, 5 to 10, and then to 12, 1, 5, 1, and 6, 25, but this is greater, so we take 1, 2, 4, with multiply 4. 4, 4 ja 16, 1, 4, 2, 8, and 1, 9, 4, 1 ja 4, then 496, there is 4, and there is also 4, and this is 496, okay. Now we subtract 10 minus 6, that is 4, 9 minus 9, 0, then 5 minus 4, that is okay. Next we take next pairs of zeros. Now double of 64, 4 to 8, 128, okay. Next we check 1 to 8. For this we check first we check in middle 5. 5 5 ja 25, to 8 5 ja 40, 42, then 4 5 2, 10 and 4, 10 and 4 14, 1 5 1, and 6, 6425, but this is greater 10,000. Next we check 1 2 8, let we check with 7. 7 7 ja 49, that is 9 4, 8 7 ja 56, and 4 60, 0, then 6, 7 2 ja 14, and 6 20, 0, then 2, 7 1 ja 7, and 2 9. Okay, but if we check 8, maybe this is greater. Okay, then we check we take 7. 7, there is also 7, and 9009. Okay, then subtract 10 minus 9, 1. Then 9 minus 0, 9. 3 minus 0, 3. Then we take curly hair, then 10 minus 9. Okay. First we check maybe 8. First we check 8. So हो सकता है ये इससे greater ना हो. 8 8 जा 64, then 6 8 8 ja 64, 6 70, then 7 8 2, 16 16, and 4 23, then 2 8 1, and 2. Yes, we take 8 because this is less. This is also less. We take here 8, and there is also 8. And 8 पे हमारा इससे लेस ही रहता है 10 3 0 6. Okay. Now 10 minus 6 4, then 9, 3 minus 3 0, then Okay, students, we take both the zeros, first pair here, second pair here. Okay, and this is the remainder. Now we check answer. After decimal there is two pair. After decimal there is two pair, this complete and this complete, two pair. Then in the answer we also take two pair from right side, 1 and 2. We take two pair, then there is a decimal. So square root of 42, correct to one place of decimal. Answer is 6.48. But if we take only one place of decimal, then we write 6.5. Students, if we remove this digit and this is greater than 5, then we take one greater from here. So in place of 4, we write 5. If we don't take 8, then we write 6.5. But if we write 6.48, that is also correct and this is also correct. Okay. Then the fourth part of this, do all the questions of same type. Again I say 395, correct to 3 place of decimal. In this question 3 place of decimal. So अच्छे से देखना बच्चे, इस क्वेश्चन में सारे डाउट क्लियर हो जाएंगे आपके. Okay. There is a point, if we find 3 place of decimal, then we take 4 pair. 1, 2, 3 and okay. And we take pair left side from the point, then we make, हम क्या पॉइंट से लेफ्ट साइड यहाँ से बनाएंगे पेयर और पॉइंट की राइट साइड यहाँ से इधर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, देन फर्स्ट पेयर कंप्लीट. इफ सेकंड पेयर नॉट कंप्लीट देन यू मेक 0. Then no problem. Okay, 0 3 means also 3. If you don't take, then there is also no problem. We take only single 3. If you take 0, then this is also on 3. So mostly time हम इसको नहीं लेते क्योंकि 0 3 या 3 कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So first we take first is 3, 0 3 या 3. 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, 4 is greater than 3. So first we take 1 1 ja 1, then 2. Next we take pair 9 5. And there is double of this 1, double of this, then okay. Now we check in middle of 125, that is less. So we take 2 9, 9 9 ja 81. Then 8, 9 2 ja 18, 18 or 26, that is also 9, less than 295. So we take 9, हम यहाँ पे 9 पे लेंगे, 9 261, 261. Okay, subtract this, 5 minus 1 4, 9 minus 6 3, then 0. Okay, next we take next pair, that is 0 on 0. We take this pair, after that we take complete and this pair. Okay, and double of this 19, double of this 38. Okay, next we check in middle 3 8, then 5 5 5 ja 25, 5 then and 2, 8 5 ja 40 42, then 4 5 3 ja 15 15 and 4 19. Okay, this is less than 3400. So we take 3 8 and 9 9, 9 9 ja 81, then 8 9 8 ja 72 and 8 80 0 8, 9 3 ja 27, 27 and 3 30, then 35. This is greater. In 9 greater. 9 पे क्या होगा हमारा greater than 3400. So we take a 3 8 8. 8 8 ja 64. 8 8 ja 64 and 6 70 0, then 7 8 3 ja 24 24 and 7 31. Okay, हम 8 के ऊपर लेंगे 3104. Then 8, here is also 8, 3104. Okay, then subtract 10 minus 4, 6, 9, then 3 minus 1, 2 and 0. Okay. Next we take next pairs of zeros, 0 and 0. Okay. Double of this multiply with 2. 8 to 16 and 1, 9 to 18, 18 and 1, 19. Again multiply with 2. Okay, 8 to 16, then 1, 9 to 18 and 1, 19, then 1 to 1 and okay, double of 198 is 396. Next we check in middle 396. First we check in middle. हम बीच में 5 पे चेक करके देखेंगे बच्चे. 5 5s are 25, then 2, 6 5s are 30, 30 and 2 32, then 3, 9 5s are 45, 45 and 3 48, then 4, 5 3s are 15, 15 and 4 19. This is 1900, 1825. This is 2900,000. Okay, so again we check है. हम आगे 9 पे चेक करेंगे. 9 9 जा 81, 8 9 6 जा 54, 54 and 62, then 6, 9 9 जा 81, 87, then 8 9 3 जा 27, 27 35. This is greater than 29,000. Okay, so next we check 396. Now we check 7. Okay, 7 7 ja 49, then 4 7 6 ja 42 and 46, then 4 9 7 ja 63, 67, 6 7 3 ja 21 and 27. Okay, in 7 this again हम 8 पे भी चेक करके देख लेते हैं कहीं हमारे इससे कम ही ना रहे. 396 with multiply with 8, 8 8 जा 64, 6 48, 48, 54, then 5 72 and 5 77, then 7 8 3 जा 24, 24 and 31. This is greater, so we take 7. There is 7, there is also 7 और 7 पे है हमारा 27,769. 27,769. Okay, now subtract 10 minus 9, then 1, 9 minus 6, then 3, then there is 15, 15 minus 7, 8, then there is 8, there is 8 minus 7, 1, 0. Okay, next we take next pairs of zeros, 0 0. Students, इन क्वेश्चनों में कैलकुलेशन काफी लंबी होगी आपकी. नेक्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई विद 2, 7 to 14, then 1, 8 to 16 and 1, 16 and 1, multiply with 7, 7 to 14 and 1, 8 to 16 and 1, 17, 17, then 1, 9 to 18 and 1, 19, then 1 to 1 and okay. Next 3974. We take in middle 5, 5 5 25, then 2, 5 4 ja 20, then 22, 2 7 5 ja 35, 37, 3 9 5 ja 45, 48, then 4 5 3 ja 15 and 19. This is also greater than this, so we check it with 4, multiply with 4, 4 4 ja 16, then 1 4 4 ja 16 and 1 17, 7 4 ja 28 and 29, then 2 9 4 ja 36, 36 to 38, 3, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 and 15. Now we check it. We take a 4. This is also 4 and this is 15, 8, 9, 7, 6. Oh. Subtract 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 7, 2, 0, then 10 minus 9, 1, then 12 minus 8, 4, then 7 minus 5, 2, and then 0. Now we check, we take last zeros. 0, 0. Okay, and double of this. Double of this 4 to 8, 4 to 8, 7 to 14, 8 to 16 and 17, 9 to 18 and 1, 9 and 2. Okay. Next check 3, 9, 7, 4, 8. First we check in middle. 5, 5, 25, then 2, 8, 5, 40 or 2, 42, then 4, 5, 4, 20, 20, 24, then 2, 7, 5, 35, 37, then 3, 9, 5 ja 45, 48, then 4, 5, 3, 15, 15 and 4, 9. Okay. And this is less than 24. So again we check 3, 9, 7, 4, 8 and 6. 6, 6, 36, 8, 6, 48, 51, then 5, 6, 4 ja 24 and 29, then 2, 7, 6 ja 42, 42, 44, then 4, 9, 6 ja 54, 58, then 5, 6, 3 ja 18, 18, 20 and 3, and this is also less. Okay, so we take here 6 because in 7 there is a greater. 2, 3, 4, 9, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 4, 9, 1, 6. And subtract this, there is a remainder. But we now check an answer. We find total number of pairs. After that decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we take 1, 2, 3, 4. We put a sorry, there is also 6. We forget 6. 6. Then we take 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a point. So square root of this 19.8746. Okay. But we take only 3 place of decimal. So we left 4th place. Then we take 9.87. If this is greater than 5, so we take 1 greater in this digit, that is 5. If we take 3, then 19.875. But if we take 4, then 19.874 and 6. Okay. And all the questions are of same type. Next I will take a next question. Next, this is question number 4. We find the square root of this by 2 place of decimal, and also question number 5, 2 place of decimal. So first we take a 16 1 ja 16, 16 and plus 7, then 23, then this equal to 23 by 16. Okay. First you divide 23 by 16. If you divide 23 by 16, first we divide simple divide. Okay. We take simple divide. If you take direct air square root, then no problem. If you take this type of square root, then there is no problem. Okay. If we take divides 23 by 16, then 16 1 ja 16, minus 6, 7, 16 13 minus 6, 7, then there is a 1. Sorry, there is a 0. Again we take a 0. you find this type of complete decimal. Okay, then you find the square root of this answer. But if you find direct square root of this, there is also no problem. You find both the square root. So if first we find this, after that we find square root. Now we take simple square root of this simple. Okay, we find square root of this because we know square root of 16, that is 4. So we write this square root of 23 and square root of 16. This is square root of 23 and square root of 16, that is 4. So first we find square root of 23. 23 complete pair, then complete pair, and then again complete pair. Okay. Then 2 2 ja 4 4 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25, 4 4 ja 16. Then 13 minus 16, that is 7. Again 0. Now we take complete pair. Then double of 4, 8. Then we check in the middle. 5 5 ja 25. Then 2 8 5 ja 40, 42. Again we check. 9 9 ja 81. Then 8 9 8 ja 72. Then 80. This is greater, so we check 8 8 8 ja 64. Then 6 8 8 ja 64 and 70. That is also greater, so we take 7. 7 7 ja 49. Then 4 8 7 ja 8 7 ja 56 and 4, then 60. Then there is 7. There is also 7 and 609. 609. 609. Subtract 10 minus 9, 1. Then there is 9 and 0. Okay, we take complete pair. Okay. Next, double of this 7 and we take 3 because we find the place of decimal. Then 47, 2 ja 7 to 14, 1, 4 to 8 and 9. Okay. Now you check. Then 9, 1, 8, 9 4 ja 36, 42, 36, 40 and 8, 44, 9 9 81, 85. Okay. You take 9, 9, 8, 5, 4, 1. Again subtract 10 minus 1, 9, then 9 minus 4, 5, 10 minus 5, 5 and 0. First 0, second pair, then next is the last pair, 0 and 0. Double of this 9 to 18, 1, 7 to 14 and 1, 15, then 4 to 8 and 1, 9, 9 to 8. Again you check 9, 5, 8 with 5, 5 5 ja 25, then 2 8 5 ja 40, 42, then 4 5 5 ja 25 and 4 29, then 2 9 5 ja 45, 47. Again check 9 5 8 7, 7 7 ja 49, then 4 8 7 ja 56, 8 7 ja 56 and 60, 0, then 6, 7 5 ja 35, 41, then 4 9 7 ja 63 and 4 67. This is greater. Next we check 9 5 8 with 6, 6 6 ja 36, 8 6 ja 48, 51, then 5, 6 5 ja 30, 35, then 3 9 6 ja 54 and 57. There is greater, so we take already 5. Okay, there is 5, there is also 5, and in 5 That is 4, 7, 9, 2, 5. You subtract this and this is remainder. But we find answer. There is 3 pair complete. So 1, 2, 3. That is 4.79. Okay. But we take only 2 place of decimals. So we take, if this is 5, there is no problem. If you take a greater than 4 points, we take 1, add in 9, then 10, this is 8. Okay, 4.8 and 0. And then there is a square root of 23. Square root of 23 is 4.80 and you divide it by 4. Then we divide this 4, then 1, 2 and 0. Okay, this is 1.2 and 0. Square root of this. First you find, if you find 23 divided by 16, then after that you find the square root of Students, all the questions are of same type, but these questions are so lengthy. Next, question number 5. Find the square root of this by 2 place of decimal. Then 0.019, 2 place of decimal. Now, from right side of decimal, 1 pair complete. Then if we take 0, 2 pair complete and 3 pair complete. If we find 2 place of decimal, then we take a right side of point 3 place complete. Then first we take 0 is, there is no meaning of 0. First we take 1. 1, 1 ja 1. Then subtract 0. For some time we forget a point. Now we take next pair, double of this, then 2. Then if we multiply 4, 24 4 ja greater than 3. 69, then 10 minus 9, 1, 8 minus 6 and 2. Again we take this complete pair of zeros and double of this 26. Okay. Next 6, if you check in with 5, 5, 5, 25, then 2, 6, 5, 30, 32, 3, 5, 2, 10 and then 13. Again we check with 9. बच्चे एक बार 5 से चेक करके देखो, एक बार 9 से चेक करके देखो, आपको आइडिया जाएगा मतलब कौन से नंबर पे जाएगा. 9 9 जा 81, 8 9 6 54 and 8 62, 9 to 18, 18 and 6, 9 to 18, 18 to 20, 24. Okay, this is greater. 2, 6, we check with 7, 9, 4, 42, 46, then 4, 7 to 14 and 4, 18. Again we check with 8. This is greater, so we take 7. Again, 2144 greater than this, so we take less than 8, that is 7. 1, 8 and 6 and 9. And there is also 7 and subtract of this there is a remainder. But we find answer 1, 2, 3. 3 pair complete, then we take 1, 2, 3. Then there is decimal and 0.13 and 7. But we take only 2 place of decimal, so we take a 0.14. If we remove this, then this is greater than 5, so we take 1 greater here. 3 plus 1, 4. 0.14. Okay? Students, with the help of these questions, you try to find next question. 7, 8 questions. Till 7 or 8 questions, till question number 5. I discussed, but you try to find out yourself. Okay? Next questions in next video.